At least.
Oh, we're so serious now. Come on.
We're doing it.
When you lean back, it's all over.
It's all over with when you buckled in.
Wayne Madison.
Keep your head to the back and
Oh my goodness.
No strokes, no heart attacks, just do it. Neither can she.
All right, ladies, would you like a countdown or surprise?
Why did he ask us?
I know. I told you.
Oh, that is fun.
I told you.
Yes, you did. I believe you. I'm glad you told me that because it would have really shocked me. I didn't know. Look at the full moon over there. That's beautiful too. Way down?
Yes.
You okay?
How are you there, guys?
That was fun.
How was that, ladies?
That was cool. That was good.
$10 each, you can go again.
How was that, Mom?
That was nice.
How was it? You loved it?
I loved it.
And if one of you ladies want to stay on for